In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add more space in CapCut Cloud, also called MySpace, so you can keep uploading, saving, and managing your projects without running out of storage. If you work with a lot of videos, templates, or team files, this can make a huge difference, especially when your cloud space starts getting full. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open CapCut on your PC or go to the CapCut web version in your browser. Once you're inside the app, look at the left-hand panel. You should see an option called Space, or in some versions, it may show as Cloud or MySpace. This is the section where all of your cloud-stored projects and files are managed, so go ahead and click that. After opening your Space dashboard, look for the Upgrade button. This is the option you need if you want to increase your cloud storage. When you click Upgrade, CapCut will show you the available plans. At this point, you'll usually see different storage tiers depending on whether you choose an individual or team-based option. For example, the Pro plan may give you around 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, which is great if you're a solo creator or editor and need more room for active projects. If you need a lot more storage, the Teams plan may offer around 1 terabyte, which is ideal for collaborators, agencies, or larger content teams managing a lot of shared files. Take a moment to review each plan carefully and choose the one that fits your workflow, budget, and how much storage you actually need. Once you've selected the plan, proceed to confirm the payment. After the payment goes through, CapCut will automatically increase your available space. In most cases, you don't need to refresh or do anything complicated. The new storage should apply right away or shortly after the transaction is completed. If you don't see the updated immediately, just reload the space page and check your new storage amount. And that's it. You've successfully added more space in CapCut Cloud. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of frustration if you've been hitting storage limits while working on your videos. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and creator workflow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.